How to handle day trading frustration. Good morning. I'm recording this in real time. I don't know what's going to happen next, and that's the point. If you want a polished recap, this isn't it. If you want to see how frustration shows up during trading and how to handle it, you're in the right place. Market opens in 2 minutes. My goal today isn't to hit a home run. My goal is to notice frustration early, keep risk rational, and execute only when the setup deserves it. Market opens. Price action begins. First idea. Buy if price pulls into a level I like. I'm not chasing. If it comes to me, fine. If not, that's also fine. Not filled. That stings a little. Here's the first friction point. Being right directionally but not filled is emotionally identical to being wrong, and your brain will want to make that pain stop by forcing the next trade. Not today. And yes, had I been in, it would have worked. That's hindsight. The only thing that matters is, did I follow my process? I placed my order where I said I would. I didn't get it. Move on. Second idea. I want price to push into a level and then fade. Price nudges, still no fill. Again, close but no fill. This is exactly when frustration starts whispering. When I feel that, I downsize by half. That way, if I'm trading to scratch the itch, I can't do big damage. Switch to a different ticker, cleaner structure. New chart, cleaner trend line, clear inflection. I'm still aware I'm irritated, so I'll start with partial size. If I'm right, I can add on confirmation. If I'm wrong, the tuition is small. Entering with small size. My job now is simple. Let price prove me right. If it stalls at my level, I'm not arguing. I'm trimming. Scaled out a bit. That wasn't fear. That was a plan. When I'm trading through frustration, I prefer to realize risk early rather than fantasize about the perfect move. Price test the major level again. Stop is defined. My stop is just above that pivot. If it tags, I'm out. No one more second. No moving stop after the fact. Clarity is kindness in trading. Net small gain. Nothing glamorous, but note what didn't happen. I didn't escalate size to make up for the missed trades. I traded the market I had, not the one I wanted. Back to the earlier ticker. New setup forms. I'm taking a second shot here with a tight leash. If momentum doesn't show up fast, I'm gone. When I'm frustrated, time is risk too. Quickly cutting loss, up for a small, planned loss. Could it have worked if I gave it 5 more minutes? Maybe, but my rule during frustration is simple. If it's supposed to go and it doesn't, it's not my trade. This is where many traders donate the most money. After a string of almost trades and small chops, the mind wants closure, so it forces the next setup. Here's how I avoid that spiral. First, name it. I literally say out loud, I'm frustrated. Labeling the emotion gives me a gap between feeling and action. Second, shrink size automatically, half or even quarter. Don't trust your willpower. Change your risk math. Third, tighten criteria. If a setup is a B-, it's a no. I need a quality or nothing. Fourth, simplify exits. Pre-place the stop. Pre-place at least one scale out. Remove mid-trade negotiation. Finally, be willing to end the session green, flat, or small red. On frustration days, survival is the win. If I get a perfect level, I'll take it. If not, I'm done. One good trade can make the day. One forced trade can break the week. I'll wrap here. Today wasn't about P&L. It was about process under pressure. Frustration doesn't disappear. You manage it. You catch it early, you reduce size, you demand quality, and you let boring be profitable. If you want a highlight reel, there are plenty online. If you want a trading career, master this part. Quick recap. I missed a few fills, took one small win, one small loss, and shut it down. That's not failure. That's discipline. See you next time.